Hello, all. Welcome to the day 11 of the daily case study series for Cbse grade 12. Today's question goes like this: a class 12 student appearing for a competitive exam was asked to attempt the following questions. Let A, B, C be three non zero vectors. Question number 1: if A vector and B vector are such that magnitude of A plus B is equal to magnitude of A minus B, then right. So given to us is magnitude of A plus B is equal to magnitude of A minus B. Squaring on both sides, magnitude of A plus B the whole square is equal to magnitude of A minus B the whole square, which is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, which is equal to again A square plus B square minus 2AB. We get 4 times A dot B is equal to 0, and this A dot B can be rewritten as magnitude of A magnitude of B cos theta is equal to 0. The question says A and B are non-zero vectors. That means A has some magnitude and B also has some magnitude. This expression will become 0 only when cos theta becomes 0, which implies cos theta is equal to 0. So theta is equal to 90 degree, which implies vector A is perpendicular to vector B. So the answer for this is option A. Question number 2. If A vector is equal to B vector is equal to, then evaluate an expression is given. So in this I see 2A and 2B. 2A is equal to 2 times I minus 2J, which is 2I minus 4J. Same way, 2 times B vector is 2 times 2I plus J plus 3K, which is 4I plus 2J plus 6K. 2A plus B is equal to 2I minus 4J plus 2I plus J plus 3K, which is 4I minus 3J plus 3K. A plus B is 3I minus J plus 3K. Then A vector minus 2 times B vector. A is I minus 2J minus 4I plus 2J plus 6K, which is minus 3I minus 4J minus 6K. The expression that we have to calculate is 2A plus B into A plus B cross A minus 2B. So cross product of A plus B and A minus 2B is equal to, so let's write those components under IJK, which gives us I times 6 plus 12 minus J times minus 18 plus 9 plus K times minus 12 minus 3, that is 18I plus 9J minus 15K. 2A plus B dot 18I plus 9J minus 15K is equal to 4 times 18 plus minus 3 times 9 plus 3 times minus 15, which is equal to 72 minus 72, which is 0. So the answer is option A. Subdivision 3. If A vector and B vector are unit vectors and theta be the angle between them, then magnitude of A vector minus B vector. A vector minus B vector. Given that magnitude of A vector is equal to 1 and magnitude of B vector is equal to 1, because those two are unit vectors. Let's square this. We get A square plus B square minus 2A dot B. A square and B square becomes 1 each, minus 2 times magnitude of A into magnitude of B cos theta, 2 minus 2. Again, magnitude of A and B becomes 1, so we get 2 cos theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, but in this expression we have cos theta instead of 2 theta. So cos theta becomes 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 taken common, 1 minus cos theta, which is equal to 2 into 2 times sin square theta by 2, that is 4 sin square theta by 2. This is magnitude of A minus B the whole square. So getting the square root of this, we get 2 sin theta by 2. So the answer is option B. Question number 4. Let A vector, B vector and C vector be unit vectors such that A dot B is equal to A dot C is equal to 0 and the angle between B and C is equal to pi by 6. Then A vector is A is perpendicular to B and B is perpendicular to C. That is, A is perpendicular to both B and C. So to find the unit vector which is perpendicular to both B and C, the formula is A vector is equal to plus or minus B cross C by magnitude of B cross C. Plus or minus B cross C, magnitude of B, magnitude of C, and sine theta. The theta is the angle between B and C. So which has been given in the question, and that it is, this is 1 each, and sine pi by 6 plus or minus B cross C by 1 into half, which is plus or minus 2 times B cross C. So the answer is option C. Question number 5. The area of the parallelogram formed by A vector and B vector as diagonals is, so A vector and B vector are the diagonals of the parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram is equal to half times magnitude of A cross B. Let's get A cross B, I, J and K. Writing the components, we get I times minus 6 minus 0 minus j times 3 minus 0 plus k times 1 plus 4. That is minus 6i minus 3j plus 5k. Area is equal to half times the magnitude of A cross B. That is half times square root of 36 plus 9 plus 25. That is 1 by 2 times root 70. So the option is C. Let's get back with another case study question tomorrow. Thank you all.